Here we are, back with Frankenstein. Didn't work on it the whole time I was on leave. It's Saturday today. I should be ashamed of myself. But I have to go, I guess. So here is the radiator support after we hammered the crap out of it. The radiator fits. I already tried it on. And that's my main concern, that the radiator fits. Plus, when you put the radiator on and all that, you won't be able to see that nasty thing down there. I'm hoping tomorrow to be able to put these harnesses up and out of the way and paint the engine compartment. Plus, I got to fix some wires also. I got some wires in the AC. Where are they now? Up here. These are destroyed. I got to get a connector for that and rewire it. My alternator wires, wherever they're at, those are also bad, but the alternator came with a pigtail. For whoever watches this, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.